Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to move Asana tasks and dependent tasks with dependency management. If you're managing complex projects with multiple interconnected tasks, understanding how Asana handles task dependencies when you shift dates can save you tons of time and prevent scheduling conflicts. Let's dive in. First, go to your project in the Asana web app. Once you're there, click the Timeline tab near the top of the project view to open the project timeline. This timeline view is essential for visualizing how your tasks are scheduled and how they relate to one another over time. Next, locate the task you want to move on the timeline. Once you found it, click and hold the task bar, then drag it to the new date on the timeline. This is where things get interesting. You'll notice that dependent tasks don't automatically move according to the dependency management settings. This is because Asana gives you control over how those relationships behave. To adjust how dependent tasks shift, click the Options button in the top right corner of the timeline view. From there, select Project Dependency Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll unlock the real power of Asana's dependency management. You'll see 3 dependency management options to choose from. The first is Maintain Buffer, which keeps the gap between tasks constant, pushing dependent tasks forward accordingly. This is ideal when you want to preserve planned spacing between tasks. The second option is Consume Buffer, which is the default setting. This shrinks the gap between tasks as the predecessor task moves, without pushing the dependent task. It's useful when you have flexibility in your schedule and don't want unnecessary shifts. The third option is None, which allows dependent tasks to fall behind the predecessor, effectively disabling auto-shifting. This gives you complete manual control. Once you've chosen the dependency management option that best fits your project's needs, click Save Changes to apply your chosen setting. Now, when you move tasks on the timeline, the dependencies will respect the chosen settings to move dependent tasks accordingly. This ensures your project stays organized and your team understands how date changes ripple through the workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.